What is the difference between lodging a will and filing a will in a California Superior Court? Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you like our content and you are new here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Delivering a will to the probate court in the county where the deceased person lived is known as lodging a will. An individual must lodge a deceased person's will within 30 days of their death. If the person lodging the will is not the executor of the will, understand that the executor of that will needs to receive a copy of that will. If you cannot find the executor, then you'll need to give a copy to a named beneficiary. Many people falsely believe that lodging a will and filing a will are the same thing. However, here in California, they have two separate meanings. Lodging a will means submitting the will into a California Superior Court, and filing the will suggests that the probate process is beginning and a petitioner is requesting the court to submit the will into probate. What happens if someone finds more than one will? If someone finds multiple wills, the California law requires you to lodge all wills. An individual that finds multiple wills does not have the right to pick and choose which will is lodged with the Superior Court. The judge and the probate court will determine what will is submitted into probate. What will happen if someone fails to lodge a will? If you do not lodge a deceased person's will, you can face legal penalties. And if an interesting party incurs damages as a result of you not lodging that will, you could be held accountable for that person's loss. It is extremely important that you lodge someone's will within 30 days of their death. Question of the day. Have you ever lodged the will in a California Superior Court? If so, what happened after you lodged that will? Let us know in the comments below. Lodging a will is truly step one for an executor when a loved one dies. Lodging that will helps assure that your loved one's wishes are respected and honored. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to contact me. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need an estate planning attorney or a probate attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to contact me for a referral.